no feeling, I ain't got time. I got a lot of work. Hey, cupcake, no feeling, I ain't got time.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a sugar wax tutorial. This recipe is super easy to make and you could use it on almost anywhere on your body. Before we get into this video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and make sure to turn on that bell button to stay tuned every time that I post. Starting off with 2 cups of sugar. I'm using cane sugar, which is best when using for sugar wax, because if you could use brown sugar, but it's recommended to use cane sugar because brown sugar will harden much faster, and I would suggest brown sugar for like a hard wax if you're trying to make a hard wax, but for this recipe it goes for 2 cups of cane sugar. Then you're gonna add 1/4 cup of water and 1/4 cup of lemon juice. You don't want your wax mixture to be too watery or too thick. You want it to be like a medium consistency, and this will just help for the wax mixture to brown better. Making sure that you have the proper measurements is really important when making the wax mixture. If you don't have the proper ratio between liquid and sugar, the wax will not harden properly. And also making sure that you have your wax heated at the proper temperature. You want it like at a medium-low heat. You do not want to have your wax at a high temperature because it will harden super quickly, and also it will not conform into the wax that we're looking for, the texture that we're looking for. So you want to make sure that you're mixing the sugar wax to make sure everything is mixing properly, and also make sure to have a thermometer. This is important because you want your mixture to at least be roughly around 260 degrees Fahrenheit, and that is the perfect temperature to remove hair from your body. So just making sure that it's around 260 before removing the wax from the pot. So the wax is about 260 degrees Fahrenheit, and we're going to remove the wax from the pot before it starts to turn into a dark brown color. We're going to remove the wax from the pot once it's about this yellow golden color. Once the wax begins to harden and get thicker, it will develop its dark brown color. So this is the wax right out of the pot. It's like this yellow golden color. And we're gonna leave it out to set for about, I want to say about 24 hours. We kept it overnight just to make sure that it's fully forms into the sugar wax consistency that we were going for. So once the wax has set overnight, this is the consistency and the color of the wax. It is like a honey consistency. It's not too runny and it's not too thick. It's like a medium texture. If you want the wax to be a little bit warmer before applying, I would suggest put it in the microwave for about 1 minute, but watching it because you don't want it to re-burn and just not hold its form. And if you want to store the wax, you could keep it in your refrigerator for up to 4 days, I believe, and then just reheating it in the microwave when you're ready to use it. But yeah, if you guys like this video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe.